Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the white screen issue on Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 8, and Windows 7 laptops or PCs. This issue may occur due to problems with Windows Explorer not starting properly. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Restart Windows Explorer. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. In Task Manager, click Run New Task. Type explorer.exe in the input box. Check Create this task with administrative privileges, then click OK. Step 2. Modify Registry shell key. Open Start, type regedit, right-click the result, and select Run as Administrator. In Registry Editor, navigate to HKE Local Machine. Software, Microsoft, Windows NT, current version, WinLogon. On the right panel, look for the shell key. If it exists, double-click and ensure its value is explorer.exe. If it does not exist, right-click an empty space, choose New, then select String Value, name it Shell, then double-click and set the value to explorer.exe. Click OK, close the registry editor, and restart your computer. After restarting, the white screen with cursor should no longer appear. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Hopefully your issue is now resolved. See you in the next guide.